Hey guys, quick update for Bitcoin. If you do appreciate the content I put out and you'd like to show your support, hitting the like button is a great way to do that. It'd be much appreciated. This is a chart I put out, published on March 23rd, 2022. I made a video about this chart. It was about a year ago. Said the most important Bitcoin video you'll ever watch, time sensitive. And I was telling everyone every time you hit this line too short, I'll put a link up to the video now if you want to check it out. You can see how this chart played out. Every time we hit that line, you had your entry for a short. We made contact. This is on line drawing, you can't see the candles, but you can clearly see just in line drawing 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact, 4 points too short. And if you'll notice, this last line that we made contact with, I've been talking about for the previous 5 videos. I'm going to short this every time we make contact. This is that same chart, just a more recently published version of it, where I was just pointing out every time you hit this line you short. You see price came down, we made contact with it, we dropped all the way down, pushed back up, got rejected, next candle opened below. So again, every time we make contact with this line, I will be adding to my short. I'm currently in a short now. I posted this in Discord. Now the great thing is only we have access to this line. Pretty soon, so let's say price comes down to something like this and then makes contact. Again, we won't know when, but when we do make contact, that's when you short. And when that does happen, everybody's going to catch on about this trend line. So if you want to get access to this live chart, the link's pinned in the first comment description. But again, I'm gonna be shorting or adding to my short every time we hit this line. I'm currently in a short now. I'm using $3,000 at 30x. I'm up $1,200. If you watched the last video, I was up around $7,000 in that short. Now I'm in my second short. I've already added $15,000 to my account, so I'll be ready to add to my short every time we hit this line. Guys, you can sign up for BitGet. My link's pinned in the first comment description. I have a no VPN option there for you as well. I posted in Discord, as I always do when I enter a trade. So I entered here at around 29,700, expecting a lot more downside. Again, if you do sign up, you get access to Discord as well. As you can see, the DXY is pushing up, and when the DXY is pushing up, that means Bitcoin's going to drop. And guys, as I've been talking about, this is the top for the Dow according to my chart. So again, if the markets are coming down, the DXY is pushing up, Bitcoin's going to continue to go down. That's why that line is so important. So again, if you do want to get access to this chart, you can sign up and get access today. And if you want to get access to BitGet or another option with no VPN, that link's pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.